Hi, Hi. Oh wait, can I use it?
Why? You have 37.
Oh my god, like after.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're playing Animal Hospital.
Yeah.
She's
Join me.
Oh my god. So she's gonna be serving, and I'm gonna be. Wait, I can't believe we went to that like anomaly attack. Can we do that again? Like if we can. So on.
She can't believe herself because we got to the anomaly.
Yeah.
Shift 20.
Who?
This person. Oh my god.
God damn.
What the flip? I'm only on 5 and I'm already just firefighter.
You're an
Oh,
intern.
that's cute.
You're an intern.
Yeah.
How the hell
This is so cute.
Wait, what's an intern? I forgot. Like normal. Oh.
This is so cute.
Wait, don't you have medic? It says you have. Oh
There's no medic.
I meant nurse. I meant nurse.
What is this? Oh, I can only buy nurse. You can get such a cute skin with this.
Yeah. I'm a rascal.
The rascal is cute.
Yeah.
No, my favorite is the banana intern.
Yeah, it's so cute. Don't mind my avatar, guys.
She's Decora. She loves Decora and that thingy that I'm wearing. Come. Stop! She's pulling my ear.
No, I'm not. Bro!
Your face revealed.
I know, but I don't want to show. Flipping out.
No, I'm serving them.
I know, I'm just opening the door.
You want to?
No.
The first person is here. Ignore that grey person. They're an anomaly.
Okay,
I
so
would like to check in as a patient.
my
name is Kenshi Takenda. I would like to check in as a patient. Stamp my forms right now. Okay, actually, goodbye.
What?
What? I'm not even recording you. I can't even go on that thing.
Oh. Oh my god, can you not just leave the door open? Flipping out. If you want to come in, just get in.
Guys, my best thingy is type. So, I'll be back. Pause your video. Come back. Oh my god.
No, oh my god. Oh my god.
Come back.
Why do you have eye drops now?
Sis, stop. This is for you. Oh my.
What's up,
Shut up. At least I paused. Okay, I'm back again. Oh my god. No, I'm not. Tiffany, if you're watching this, please stop texting me. Please. It's my dream. Please.
Are you sure that's your dream?
Yeah.
You could.
I mean, my dream is being a big YouTuber.
Well.
Ow! You we snuggled up.
We're not.
My armpits are sweating, they're wet. Ew. Smelly.
The weirdest thing you could have said ever.
Smelly. Smelly armpits.
Actually. Hi. Shutters are operational.
We
Bro!
can get anomalies.
Now.
The first one is going to be anomaly, I think, because all the time. I don't think. Wait, let me check if they're a different animal. Move! No, they're staring at the camera.
Are they?
Yeah. And look how they're twitching, their standing is weird. you're out of service.
Hi.
I'm angry. Rejected me.
Yeah,
Fine.
get out.
Oh, headbanger, 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 headbanger.
Wait, I have coffee. Should I give it to
I think it's the headbanger. Yes, the headbanger. Did you even drink 2 sips?
No, I didn't even drink
Drink
any.
2 sips.
1 and 2. I'm giving
Guys, I'm
you.
playing. Oh. Goodbye.
Bye,
Guys, you
Anonymous.
know you can make them better, but I just don't want to because they can also like chase you. I can't buy the gun, but the taser comes in like 2 shifts.
Oh my god! It's not leaving. You have to leave the shutters down for a little.
Yes, right.
Now you can open it.
How dare me? Yeah, shut up. I'll check the cameras and I'll save them too. Different animal? No, they're fine. I think.
Are you sure? Jack Brown.
Is that photo okay? Oh, pause.
It's just Kafka.
I thought someone was calling you. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, same. I thought.
What's going on?
I went like, is my mom or dad texting, calling? How could you? How could you? You
I
really
just saw the stalker.
actually were.
Stupid. Look at it. Or else it won't disappear. Look at it.
I know.
It's not even that scary.
10, really 10, just because of.
Can I have the coffee next?
Yeah.
46. Room 3.
I'm about to finish over now.
Hello, mister. You need a thermo. I saw it on there. I think you need a thermo. I saw it on your
Do you guys want to see a jump scare?
There's no jump scare. How is that a jump scare?
I know. I'm just saying.
Bandage. No, medkit, sorry. Yeah, I knew it. Maple, low sugar, and the other one.
This girl, she knows everything, what everything is need for. So what are bandages for?
For bleeding.
What is thermo for?
Thermo.
Yeah.
For... I forgot how you call it.
Fever.
No, you can't have a fever in this game. Did you even check the cameras?
Yes. God, check the first thing. Ooh.
Can the patient in room 3 hurry up and recover? Thank you.
Room 4.
Can the light stop? Close it.
Oh my! I will beat you.
Me?
No, this light.
Close it. Come on, go in your room. There, the door's open for you. Happy? Don't close the door. Don't flip you. I want to swear so bad.
But we can't. I love how they added jumping. I love how they. What? Wait, what? Wait, stop. I think the anomaly.
Of course they are.
No, I'm just saying like anomaly. Oh, what the hell? Oh, what?
No, I know what it is. Bleeding, bandages, and eye
drops.
drops. I knew. I'm too good.
You just have to look at the screen and just go get them. Just don't even look up.
I don't even want to look at the screen. I just
Oh,
want
one
to
camera
watch.
down. One camera down. Is it? Which one is it?
I'll fix it if it's in the hall. I'll fix it. It's in the hall somewhere.
Oh, at the top right
Yeah,
here.
it's at the top. Yeah. Like,
Is this an anomaly?
no. Yes, I think so. Wait, check if they have different ears. I think they do. No.
Flipping hell.
Okay, I think they're recovering now. And the camera was fixed.
Bro, when it was the anomaly,
Attack.
yeah, it was so funny because they kept going like, they didn't even serve in, they just straight away ran. Have you ever been past that?
Past what?
Anomaly attack? Who did you do it with?
No one, I did it alone.
How?
We're not allowed to.
No, like, how? It was so hard.
No, it wasn't.
Well, a bit.
How was it hard? It was just scary when the anomaly killed me.
They're not.
Oh, it was because of my sanity. Because I saw like 3 stalkers in that anomaly attack.
Yeah, why did you even get stalkers, by the way? Can you come get your coffee?
Why?
Oh my god, just get it, please.
Hey, wait. I'm getting maple. No, Bruce's is ointment. Canadian thingy, whatever.
Bruises is ointment.
Yes.
Isn't bruises? No.
No.
Bleeding is.
Yeah. No, bleeding is
It's
bandages.
bandages.
Medkit is What?
Medkit is. Actually, what is medkit for? I forgot.
Oh, both of them are for bruises. I forgot. Wait, I can buy the taser?
Actually, you can't. You only have 63. Oh.
You weirdo. Or should I do faster damage? No. Shock people.
You really want to? She's not actually farting. She's literally just making it the noise with her mouth.
Yeah.
Is that a stalker? Oh.
Wait. Okay.
Oh my god.
You can do room 7. Or is it heartbeat?
It's heartbeat.
You can do heartbeat if you want.
Yeah. No, room 7, I think. Wait, let me check.
Hi, Matthew.
Wait.
Oh my god.
No. Actually, yes, it is. Come on.
Matthew,
I'm gonna be.
my babe.
Yeah, so this girl basically says Raphael is her son. And she loves Raphael.
He's my baby. No, do you know why I like him? Because he comes here and helps us. He just sits there swinging his legs around. What if I just tased Raphael?
Actually, if you did. What the hell? Oh.
Guys, does this mean Matthew's an anomaly? Because if it does, then I'm gonna just never serve him on the first time he comes. She's doing heartbeat right now. Room 5, okay. The very last one. After, do you want to play ice cream shop after playing animal without ending the video?
Okay. Heart scan is complete.
Okay.
You want it. Too bad you can't have it. Headache. Medicine and medkit is also for. Oh, okay. Medicine. I mean medkit. Medkit and medicine.
Okay, look. That's maple syrup. That's eye drops. Oh, I'm too good.
Finally, are you done? Are you done? It's
Yeah.
recovering. Oh. Why is there 3 nurses right here? One at the shop, one is me and one is you.
Oh my god. Wait, let me show my viewers.
No. Oh my god, I swear to god, if you hit that bell one more time, you're not allowed in this hospital anymore.
I shouldn't have just tased them. I'm gonna tase you.
You better, Antonia. No. No. You, no.
Fine.
She's about to tase Ron.
Get out of our shop. Not shop. Hospital. I'm bored.
Already.
Yeah, let's play some the ice cream shop.
Actually.
Yeah.
You're bored on shift 3.
Yeah.
Oh my god. But only these 2 games. Only.
And then we leave and do what again?
Then we leave Avatar. Or Squishies.
No, we're gonna make another video. But I forgot what it.
No, because it was going to be 2 in 1.
Huh?
No, because you said, actually, let's make the videos 2. I mean 1. So there isn't any else video.
I don't want to make squishies.
Why?
Because it's boring. I think ice cream shop became even more scary.
You bet. I want to play the ice cream shop game. Not this one, the other one. That's so fun.
Which one?
Ice cream
What
club.
After, so we're gonna be playing 3 games. Hey guys, talk a lot.
Oh my god.
The music might be copyright.
Oh my god.
Yeah. After we're playing Chicken Nugget Club and Ice Cream Club.
No, wait. And then leave this, like restart, like make another video. Then ice cream club and chicken club. Chicken nugget club, I think.
Yeah. No, we have to go into the players.
Where is it? Oh, right.
Oh!
Which side? Oh.
Whoa! Wait, can I give them the ice cream to restock? Actually, no. I restocking them.
Yeah. I do ice cream. And if something happens, you deal with it. Like that much to do.
Shut up.
I'm not even saying anything.
You. Stop.
What? I'm not singing it.
Still. Come on, girl.
That's about it. There's only one last thing I'd like to mention.
Every day I'm gonna stay
If the phone ever rings again, listen carefully. The last worker. Have a great shift.
You pick up the phones.
No.
Ignore the pink girl. Don't give her ice cream at all. Ignore the girl that was at the start.
You need to listen. She is coming
La 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 la
tonight.
la la la.
Just
Tonight.
pretend she's not there.
Tonight.
I have to go now. Pretend she's not there.
2 hours. Shop. Okay, I'll act like she's not there.
Same.
Hello, this is cool, man. This is nothing.
2 times lemon.
Lemon.
Come
Come on.
Where's the cone? Oh. If you need toilet, go.
I don't need a toilet. You don't need the toilet in this game.
Then why is there even a toilet?
I don't know. For people to pee. No, if she comes, instead of pretending she's not there, just look like this. Just go up here and stay like this.
Oh my god.
Or just stay like this so then you can watch what she does. Like that.
I think this is one of my friends.
Yeah, it is. I don't have a friend that looks like that.
Is this green apple?
Yeah.
Oh my god. 1 lemon, I think. stop so Antonia can. Actually, no, Antonia's at the best cause because she's not gonna like. She probably won't die because she's the best at horror games. This is also one of my friends. Is this one of yours?
No.
This is one of mine. Chocolate. Only
I
chocolate.
only have a girl called Saturn. That guy at the start. You. Myself. And that's it. And a baking guy.
That you randomly friended.
Yeah.
Bro, why does your sister have free cups on her vanity? And
Oh, Teresa.
oh, guys, it's me right there. If you guys don't need to see my avatar, that's just me. I'm gonna serve myself. That's my twin. Okay, sit.
You're big back. You're having green apple, chocolate, and lemon.
I hate lemon.
I don't care.
Why the hell would they give me lemon? When it's you, I hope it's this one right here.
Which one?
And this one. And this one. And this one. And it's all mixed.
I think she's coming now and I'm scared. No, don't go out. You can die if that girl comes. Oh, it's Tiffany.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and I also have Tiffany added.
Wait, actually, I think I have her.
No, you don't. She never added you.
I don't remember. If
No,
you do.
no. Tiffany, what is this combo? Can you tell me if you like this combo IRL? If you're watching this.
Oh my god, she probably won't watch this.
She watches nearly all my videos.
We'll send her this video.
I don't want that girl to come. Yeah, this is your friend, I think.
No.
No, he's mine. I told you that it's a baking guy.
That's a weird combination, but at least it looks a bit good.
Even Tiffany had the same thing, but without 2 green apples.
Only one.
Yeah, only 1 green apple, 1 green apple.
With Tiffany,
How are you cold?
I don't know.
I'm usually sweating.
I just get cold. I just get cold when.
Yeah, this is Saturn.
Is she? Ice cream with lemon and green. Oh wait, I think it,
Lemon and grape.
green. Green apple. Two needs refilling.
Which one?
Green apple and lemon.
Okay, so we need what's green?
And lemon. There you go, Sat. And Saturn. Halo.
That's okay?
Yeah.
Watching video on YouTube. Okay.
Ignore.
No to just...
Oh,
No, pick this as kind of.
Check out the
no,
freezer.
don't go in it.
Why?
You go in it, but you're gonna have to stay in there for like 1 minute.
Ja, that's just...
Go in it, close your eyes. Go in, I'll do it. Don't look. Don't look. Close your eyes. It's that girl whispering in the room with you. Don't show me it. Okay, done. This is your friend.
Yeah. I don't even know who this is, but she probably is my friend.
Wait, pause the video.
Yeah. Oh, okay, good. You got your arm. Is it good? Is it very good? Yeah.
After you eat a bit, have a break.
I didn't even eat that much. Calm down.
I'm only having small spoons.
Won't go trampoline after.
Mm-hmm.
Or now.
After. Me. My main account. Oh, that combo is yummy. 2 times chocolate and bubblegum. Refilling? No refill?
No. I think we're gonna need chocolate. A refill. It's only at 20.
Eat this part. I'll give it on your spoon. Wait. Newman. Vanilla.
What?
Vanilla.
No. Only?
Yeah.
I was gonna have that side.
Is it tonight? Okay, good. I was showing this creepy sound.
Again! This is the 4th person, I think, actually. Why do people love this? Vanilla refill. Like you broke my... Chocolate's next. Chocolate's next. Let's go. Oh, scared. Look at her.
No, I'm scared if that girl comes. Is this your friend?
I don't know, probably.
No, it is. I don't have a friend like that.
Then it's probably mine. Wait, does it only give your friends? Oh. Why?
Who else would it give? Would they make just AI?
Yeah.
AI
No,
bots?
just random people that they find on Roblox. They'll just put it on there. Yeah, that's my friend. Hey.
What the heck is that avatar?
It's an avatar. Don't be mean, even though it's basically. I bet she bought that avatar from Brookhaven. Oh, that's my friend. It's your friend. Like, do you know on Snapchat and then you called her friend?
Oh yeah.
It's this girl. No more green apple. How does green apple run than chocolate? It's second refill.
How's the chocolate been surviving on 20%? What do we do? I don't want to do it. Let's both do it.
What?
Come on.
Like both of our accounts. Go. Oh my god. Who even are you?
Come. You go first.
No, I don't even know where to go.
You go first. Look, it shows you. Go front. Go to the side. And then go fix it.
Why are you not gonna fix it?
You fix it. And then yeah, because that pink girl is gonna chase us.
Actually.
Yeah, I think. That's if you've been doing good. Okay, we've not been doing good.
What?
She chases us if we've been doing good.
We've been doing so good. Use that.
Oh, so fun.
Oh, hi. Hi, Shada.
Hi, ugly.
Bro, look how much we ate. We need to stop.
No.
One bite.
No.
More.
No. It's my ice cream.
I'm gonna eat all of it.
Oh no. Don't have her remember.
Oh yeah.
Don't look at her. Hide here, hide up here. I think she's gonna try to get us. Don't use Robux to jump scare me.
I don't have Robux.
Oh yeah. I'm not gonna eat anyone.
Thank God. My friend. Yeah, my friend. Yeah, we're gonna go. Bye.
Bye.